Here I am with another rescue box from ThredUp. This is the 15-piece shoe rescue box. It was $80. It was $110 for a while, but they lowered the price. Hopefully the quality didn't decrease too much. This particular box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Here is what I got. This is the first pair of shoes I received. A pair of Under Armour, just sneakers. I will probably be keeping these for myself. They are my size, pretty good condition. They have some like surface dirt, but good shape overall, barely worn. This is a pair of Hush Puppies. I think these might be men's. I'm not really 100% sure. They are flip-flops. Not really sure of the size. Oh, here they are. Men's 8, women's 9. So I think these might fit my father, so I'll just give it to him after I clean them up. This is a really cute pair of Zara like little sandals with pearls all over them. They are very cute. I love the pearl detail. They are a size 38, which I believe is like a 7. Good condition, just a little bit of minor wear. This is a pair of Adidas, just these black, I don't know, it doesn't say which ones they are. Adidas Neo. So they look to be in pretty good condition overall. Not too much wear here. A little bit of heel drag if you can see that. But overall good shape. Should get maybe like 20 for those. 20 to 30. This is a pair of Hoka running shoes. They are nice. These are in like really good condition. Maybe a little bit of wear here, but overall really good shape. I'm not really sure how much these go for, but they look to be in good condition. This is a pair of Vince Camuto. I don't know if I'm going to sell these. They are black suede, but they have a lot of wear to them. And a little bit of this heel is coming off, as you can see. So I may sell these or I may not. They're also a pretty bad size. They're only a size 5. But I'm gonna see. I don't really have high hopes for these, but I'm gonna put them on Poshmark and see what happens. This is a, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna sell these. They have just too much wear on them. They are from Clark's, and they were indigo by Clark's. And they were sold at a thrift store. So somebody at a thrift store didn't want them, so they ended up in this box. They look okay. Ish, like maybe a little bit of polishing, but the heels are in really rough shape, and for a pair of Clark's I don't think this is going to be worth it. So I think I'm just gonna have to get rid of these. I don't know if they fit me. What's the size? It doesn't say. Size 6.5, so these will not fit me. Indigo by Clark's. Yeah, not too great. So this is the first one I'm not gonna keep. This is a pair of J. Crew black patent leather, just like these little low heels. They do have this thing here, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna sell it as is or try to fix that, but they seem to be in okay shape. Otherwise I will sell these maybe like $15 for J. Crew. They are a size 8, I believe. 8.5, so they might fit me if they don't sell. This is a pair of Minnetonka moccasins, these high boots. They are pretty cool. I really like them. They seem to be in pretty good condition. Overall, a little bit of some little dirt patch right here, but otherwise decent shape on the bottoms especially. I think these are a size 10, so hopefully those will do okay, and they look pretty good for the upcoming fall season. This is a pair of Born boots. They do have some wear, like a lot of wear here. Not that much on the bottoms, but right over there it's really bad, and they definitely need to be cleaned. And they're kind of a bad size, but they're really cute on the inside. What's the size? They're like a 6, so I don't know. I'm still gonna try to sell these on Poshmark. See what happens for not that much. You know, if somebody wants to deal with them and have a, you know, I think they're still fine. This is a brand I'm not very familiar with. Unfortunately, this is Sarah. Oh yeah, this is not good. This is, they sell this at Aldi. Sarah shoes, they are a size 10. They're in good shape, but you know, if it's sold at Aldi, it's not gonna be particularly expensive. I might put those on Poshmark still, see what happens, but I don't know. And they do have some scuffing now, I can see that. This is a pair of Everlane. They're like kind of this eggplant color, appear to be in okay condition. They have some scuffing. You'd see that Everlane really faintly. Yeah, they definitely have scuffing, so I don't know. Seem to be okay on the bottom, some minor wear, and they're size 7.5, so that's a good size. But I don't really. Oh no, this is pretty bad. I'll see what I can do with that. I don't really like how they package the shoes for transport. It feels like a lot of things get scuffed and a lot of things just, you know, don't end up in good condition. This is a pair of wedges from Donald J. Pliner. They are in good condition overall from what I can see on the bottoms. I'll see how those do, except yeah, they have some dirt here, probably from another pair of shoes. And this is a pair of another pair of shoes from the brand Blondo. I'm not really familiar with that. I think they're just a cheaper brand, but I think they are pretty cute and good for the fall season. And this is my final pair, a pair of Minnetonka flats. They appear to be in good shape. They're kind of like a comfort wear shoe. I cannot find, oh, here's a size 8, so not a bad size, but again, I don't know, they do have some wear to them. I'll see how they do, not the most exciting brand. So overall, how do I feel about this box? I don't know if I'm gonna get another one of these because the issue is, I don't really get a lot of good shoes in my area, and I really like to mark them up. But, you know, in this box, it feels like a lot of things probably got damaged in transport, and that's always the risk with these boxes. Things getting damaged in transport. I don't think they were damaged already, but I don't know. I really don't know. They did lower the price, so maybe that affected it, but I'll probably make my money back, definitely, but like, I don't know, it is kind of disappointing. You know, it's a risk with these shoe boxes. You know, things get, you know, tossed around, and yes, but you know, again, you do pay $80 for 15 pairs of shoes, so you know, this is a risk you're willing to take, but overall, I would say it's an okay box. I'm gonna see, I might buy another one depending on how I feel, but overall, that's what I got. And you know, I don't really mind putting a little bit of work into some of these, but I don't, you know, like, if things are like gonna be ruined, that's the issue. And I'm really disappointed about these Everlane shoes, because if they were in like good shape, I would have been able to get like definitely like 75. But now with this, I really don't know to the extent of the scuffing, and I don't know. I'll see. Well, hopefully you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.